In this video, I will show you how to create a Epic Games account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. It's really handy to create an Epic Games account as this allows you to play certain Epic games such as things like Fortnite. To get started, go ahead and open up a new internet browser. What you want to do is come across to google.com and search for Epic Games. After doing this, what you want to do is click onto the top result. Make sure this takes you to the official website, which is store.epicgames.com. From here, what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see a button which says sign in. To create an account, even though you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click onto sign in. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and if you look at the very bottom underneath the blue continue button, you will see a link to create an account. So go ahead, give that a click. On this, just go ahead and click no on the next screen, and then what you can do is start to create your account. So you just need to enter your date of birth, click continue underneath. Then what you need to do is enter an email address, or alternatively you can continue with an Apple account, Google account, or Autodesk. In this example, I'm just going to enter my email. Once you've done that, click on to continue, and then what you need to do is fill in the rest of the form. So you need to put your first name, last name, create a password, choose a display name and your country, and tick the boxes down here to agree to the terms of service. The other two are optional, they're for things like surveys and offers, so it's up to you if you want to tick those, but make sure you do tick this one to read and agree to the terms of service and the Epic Games Store end user license agreement. Once you've filled in your information, you're going to see the continue button light up blue. Give that a click. Once you've done that, you'll be sent a 6-digit security code which is going to be sent to your email. So what you want to do is check your email, enter that code into the next box to verify your email address. And once you've entered the code into here, click on to continue. At this point, it's going to ask if you want to link all your console accounts to your Epic Games account. You can do this now if you want to. If not, just go ahead and click done linking. You can always do this later in the settings. You don't have to do this just now. As you can see, what's going to happen is going to redirect you back to the Epic Games homepage, and you can see our account is now created. We're automatically logged in the top right hand corner, and that is how to create a Epic Games account. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.